G'day, my name's Mark Ryan from Tecna, and we're here today at St George TAFE to introduce the new 14,000 amp fully automatic water-cooled spot welder from Tecna. This machine features a touch screen. 4 modes of welding are Smart Plus mode, Smart mode, Easy mode and Expert mode. Smart Plus mode is fully automatic. Smart mode is used if the operator wants to select the material type and thickness. Easy mode is setting the power, time and clamping pressure manually, and Expert mode is to load OEM approved parameters. The biggest advantage with this machine is the automatic function. Simply select Smart Plus mode and the panel beater can feel confident that he's getting the correct weld every time. 2 sheets of steel. The machine measures the resistance between the welding tips and selects the right program. 3 pieces. And 4 panels. The machine measures the resistance and sets the correct parameters automatically. Expert mode is when you have OEM approved manufacturer's parameters. Select Expert mode. As an example, select Manage Programs, Car Manufacturer Programs, select the vehicle, then simply select the section of the car to be welded. The parameters are preset and begin welding. Program updates can be done by way of USB stick. When you've finished the welding job, simply go to the documents. All the welds that you've produced on the car have a record of them and can be printed out by way of USB stick. Let's have a look at the gun. This is a transformer gun. It's fully water cooled and it allows high welding power even when the workshop supply power is weak. The gun is well balanced and easy to handle and can be rotated around to suit any welding position. The benefits of having a transformer gun are the cables are lightweight, there's no heat, no magnetic field and no power loss. With this system we have a quick release connection so we can change the gun very quickly and easily. The transformer gun allows high welding output from a weak supply. Another great function of the transformer gun is it allows very long welding cables. This machine comes with 4 welding arms and they're conveniently stored on either side of the machine. The 500mm arm for beaver panels is on this side and the 300mm for cant rails is on this side. Changing the arms is nice and easy. Crack the little lever. This allows the arms to pivot. Undo the water flow hoses and pull the locking lever. That's as easy as that. All the arms are the same to remove. Simply slide them in, lock the little lever down, hook the water flow hoses up and pull the locking lever back. double-sided welding to single-sided, again, remove the arm. I like to join the hoses back up, take the arm out. And we've got to connect our single-sided welding cables. So this block fits into our electrode and connects to the car. And our cable for our pistol gun gets locked in. This is for the trigger switch, and that goes in the back of the gun. We're ready to do our single-sided welding. When you've finished your single-sided welding and you want to go back to double-sided, simply remove your switch cable. That's one cable off. Take the second cable off. Reconnect your double-sided arm. Hoses.